Statistics meets AI, the data analysis revolution. Will humans be replaced? In recent years, the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and statistics has sparked a data analysis revolution. This shift is reshaping how we approach problem solving, decision making, and predictive analysis in a wide range of fields such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and engineering. The question many are asking is, will AI replace humans in data analysis? 1. The role of statistics has been the backbone of data analysis for centuries, providing tools to collect, summarize, and infer insights from data. Traditional statistics focused on hypothesis testing, regression, probability, and distribution models to make predictions about populations or phenomena based on sample data. In the age of big data, the complexity and scale of data have grown beyond the capabilities of traditional statistical techniques alone. This is where AI and machine learning, ML, come into play. While statistics provides the foundation, AI introduces the ability to learn from vast datasets and make decisions without explicit programming. AI models, such as neural networks, take statistical concepts and push them further by enabling computers to find complex patterns and correlations in enormous datasets. Key differences. 1. Statistics primarily focuses on inferring patterns from smaller datasets using well-established theoretical frameworks. 2. AI, capable of handling massive, unstructured datasets and finding patterns or making predictions without human-provided rules. 2. AI's revolution in data analysis. AI's impact on data analysis is profound. Techniques such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing, NLP, enable machines to perform tasks that once required advanced statistical knowledge and human intuition. Advantages of AI in data analysis. 1. Automation of routine tasks. AI algorithms can automate tedious, time-consuming tasks like data cleaning, pre-processing, and exploratory data analysis. 1. For example, AI can handle large datasets in seconds, spotting outliers and trends without human intervention. 2. Handling large and complex data. With big data, whether it's unstructured text, images, or time series data, AI algorithms can efficiently analyze and learn patterns, something traditional statistics would struggle with at scale. 3. Real-time insights. AI can provide continuous, real-time analysis. 3. This has applications in fields like finance, where AI models can predict stock prices, detect fraud, or in healthcare, where AI can analyze patient data in real time to provide predictive diagnoses. 3. Will AI replace data analysts and statisticians? The question of whether AI will replace humans in data analysis is nuanced. While AI has the potential to automate many aspects of data analysis, it is unlikely to fully replace human statisticians and data analysts. Here's why. Interpretability and context. While AI models can identify correlations and patterns, they often lack the ability to explain why these patterns exist. Human analysts bring domain-specific knowledge and an understanding of context, enabling them to ask the right questions, interpret results, and understand the broader implications of data. Ethical decision-making. Data analysis is not just about finding patterns, but also making decisions that are ethically sound. For example, in medical or financial data analysis, human judgment is essential to ensure that AI-driven decisions are fair and unbiased. Model design and oversight. AI models need to be trained and tuned, a process that involves significant statistical understanding. Even when AI is doing the heavy lifting in data analysis, humans are needed to design models, validate them, and ensure they align with business or scientific goals. 4. The synergy of human expertise and AI. Instead of replacing humans, AI is more likely to work alongside human data analysts, enhancing their capabilities. By automating routine tasks and providing advanced insights, AI frees up human analysts to focus on higher-level strategic decisions and interpretations. Collaborative roles. Augmented analytics. Combining AI-driven insights with human expertise results in augmented analytics, where AI generates hypotheses and humans validate and refine them. This can improve decision-making speed and accuracy. Explainable AI, XAI. One of the critical areas of development is explainable AI, which seeks to make AI models more transparent and understandable to human users. This allows analysts to gain trust in AI-driven decisions and make corrections where needed. Creative and critical thinking. AI is powerful but lacks creativity and critical thinking. humans will always play a role in formulating new questions, innovating novel solutions, and using critical thinking to evaluate the ethical and social implications of AI-driven analysis. 5. Future of data analysis. A collaborative human-AI ecosystem. Looking ahead, the future of data analysis lies in collaboration between humans and AI. In this new ecosystem, 1. Humans will focus on high-level strategy, ethical considerations, and ensuring that AI models align with human values. 2. AI will focus on processing vast amounts of data, performing complex calculations, and generating patterns or predictions that would be difficult or impossible for humans to discern manually. This partnership will drive innovation and efficiencies in sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail, allowing for faster insights and better decision-making. But it will also necessitate new skills for human workers, including AI literacy and a deep understanding of data-driven decision processes. Conclusion: will AI replace humans? While AI is revolutionizing the way data is analyzed, humans will remain an indispensable part of the process. AI excels at processing large datasets, automating routine tasks, and identifying patterns, but it lacks creativity, ethical judgment, and domain-specific intuition that only humans possess. In the coming years, AI will not replace data analysts and statisticians but will serve as a powerful tool that enhances their abilities. Those who embrace the synergy of AI and human expertise will be at the forefront of this data analysis revolution, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The key to success will not be in choosing between AI or humans but in finding the optimal collaboration between the two.